We're the Elrod family. We absolutely love to travel, and this time our travel adventure is taking us on an Alaskan cruise. We start our journey in Vancouver, Canada, and we make our way onto the Princess Cruise and then get to explore Ketchikan before turning around and heading back to Seattle. So come along and do not forget to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss all of the amazing fun that we're going to have. It is our second sea day today. I got up early to watch the sunrise off of our balcony. It's just been absolutely gorgeous. I love just waking up to hear this ocean sound. We had a really great time last night. We stayed up and watched a few trivias. We were able to play the music movie trivia. And then right after that, they did the couples show where they got 3 couples up on the front of the stage and asked them questions and tried to make sure that they knew each other really well. And that was hilarious. We were just in tears the whole time laughing. And then right after that, we played the ABBA music trivia, which we miserably failed at. And Mom said that she knew some of the songs once they played them for the answers and we heard more of them, but I had no clue on most of the ABBA songs. It was just hilarious to watch the host of the show just dance around and be silly. He was good. And then after that, we came back to our room and headed to bed, but on the way back, a lady told us that the Northern Lights were possibly going to be out last night. They may or may not have been. We definitely crashed and did not wake up last night, so I'm really hoping that we didn't have a chance to see them, but at the same time I hope people got to see them because that's really cool. But sad that we did not, if we just chose to sleep through it. But I don't even know how you would know. Like, how would you know that the Northern Lights are out? Does anybody know if there's like an app that alerts you, like look up in the sky 2 o'clock in the morning? Because I'm not the type of person that just stays up late like that. I need to go to Finland or something, see it in the middle of the day instead. So yeah, I'm not sure, but it sounds like there might have been some last night that we could have seen. This morning there are some clouds out, but I did see last night before we went to bed, it was very, very clear. We could see the moon and the stars. It was just really, really pretty. But today we have some more trivia and some shows and things that we want to go see. I'm not sure what we'll all make it to, but Mom's hoping to see the comedian. We never got to see him. And I'm hoping for more trivia because I really like the trivia stuff. It's really fun. The game shows are pretty funny too, but I really like the trivia. So first we need breakfast. I already went down and grabbed myself some coffee. Coffee is boiling hot, so I come and sit out here and take the lid off and let it cool off a bit. But after breakfast, then we'll go find some stuff to do on the ship. We decided for our last day aboard the ship that we would get our breakfast at a sit-down restaurant instead of just going to the buffet. It was pretty good, but most of the choices were the exact same things that were at the buffet, so I didn't really feel like I was missing much by skipping out on the sit-down breakfast every other day. We then popped on over to the cooking demonstration, which we really weren't sure what this was going to be like, but ended up being the most hilarious thing that we saw the entire time on the ship.
Even better. Picture. You done? No.
Very nice. Okay.
One more.
I'm so confused here. Okay.
Morning.
I hope you have time.
Then direction mate, after that,
What we do?
chocolate sponge.
One more pancake.
Chocolate sponge. Thank you, chef.
No more.
Take it back, take it back. Nobody likes dry cakes. Moisture. Moisturize very well.
Okay.
I would- Beautiful. How you call this one?
Black forest.
Always well decorated.
I love it.
No, it's a piece of art.
Look at this. Sorry about
No,
this.
I'm not done yet. How you call this one?
Very heavy. This is black forest.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the jungle cake.
Round of applause, yes.
We saw another lecture by Mark Harris, so we decided to go and watch him again since the first time was really enjoyable. Our daughter Autumn has always wanted to be a marine biologist, so I was determined to go and meet him afterwards and tell him all about Autumn. And he left her this amazing message. Hey Autumn, this is a special message for you.
Hey, Autumn. Hopefully you follow your dream, become a marine biologist, and just have the time of your life. I love your Mola Mola picture, and your mom's gonna see one today. So, good luck, follow your dream.
All right, thank you so much. After spending the morning sitting, we decided to wander around the ship and then go to have lunch at one of the restaurants. We've been eating at the buffets for the lunches and breakfast, so this time we decided to give the lunch a try. After lunch, we found some more trivias, and we actually won the TV show trivia, which was a lot of fun, before we headed on down to watch The Comedian.
He's not supposed to be done when the sun is still out, so I'm glad you guys chose the 8:30. Who was at the show in the Princess Theater like 3 nights ago? Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for coming back. I don't know what day is anymore. That's how quickly it happens on a cruise ship. But I was up at the buffet, and I had my headphones in, and I could overhear this like older couple there talking. They had like friends of theirs, and they're definitely not here because here's how I know why. It was heartbreaking. Basically, they were talking, and I lowered the thing because they're like, the woman goes to her husband. She's like, there's the disco thing. You want to go to the disco thing? And he goes, nah. And she's like, there's a comedian on. You want to go see the comedian? He's like, nah. She's like, do you want to play dominoes? He goes, yeah, let's play dominoes. I'm like, oh. We lost to dominoes. You know?
The next morning while we were packing up to leave, I decided to show one of the most annoying parts about our room, which is these motion sensor lights. There's no way to turn them off, and they just flip on at random in the middle of the night whenever your sheets rustle in front of them. All in all, it was a fantastic stay, and that next morning we got a beautiful view of the Space Needle in Seattle as we were pulling into port. The exiting process was a little weird, but they had some difficulties getting up against the pier, so they had to get some tugboat help, which I really enjoyed watching the tugboats kind of show up and help pull them over, but they didn't appreciate me being out on the deck, kind of hanging over, filming all of that, so I got in a little trouble for that. I was supposed to be inside, apparently, but they closed the doors right after I had already gone out. Once they were done with all of that, they just opened the doors and you're able to exit. The process of us getting to the airport was pretty difficult. We had to walk about a half a mile to get to our Uber, and it wasn't very fun for my mother because we didn't have any type of wheelchair or anything once we exited the terminal, and the people outside just kept on saying, nope, you can't sit here, nope, you can't sit here. So we were not very happy. But once we got to the airport, we went to the lounge. The Delta Sky Lounge is fantastic. I definitely recommend it. And then we sat and waited for our plane. Once we boarded, we headed straight back to Texas on a direct flight, which I was very thankful for. And we got this fantastic view of Mount Rainier, which I was so in love with. Thank you so much again for watching our channel and our Alaskan cruise videos. If you missed any of them, go back and check it out. And definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because we have so many more fun travels and adventures coming up very soon. Thanks again and see you soon. Stay adventurous, everyone.